Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and what we have here are two Godzilla motors. Now, we got these a few months ago, but we're having a difficult time trying to get the parts we need to actually get a front runner system put together on here, and so we actually had some struggles. Ford didn't even know the part number to give us, so Ford Racing, the Ford dealer, it was very difficult. Jumped through some hoops of my own and found the parts I needed to make this work. So, with the Godzilla motors, you actually have an option to get the single alternator version right here, or there's the dual alternator version. So if you're going to be running big stereo systems, dual batteries, you want to kind of separate things out, this is kind of cool, an option. You're going to control a lot of things on your vehicle or whatever it is you're building. We're going to use this one in a swap we're doing here, kind of a swag truck with a lot of stuff and some lights and extra batteries and stuff, and so we'll have an extra alternator charging that up. So let me show you a couple little things here. We're actually going to have this kit for sale for people to be able to purchase all the front runner stuff they need. You're going to get the power steering pump right here, and then you're also going to get your AC compressor here, which is designed to work and fit on the Godzilla motor, and you'll be able to use this on your Restomod AC setup. This is not a Ford AC compressor. That uses, I think, the 1234Y or something extra special that isn't great for the Restomod air stuff. A little more tricky on the lines and everything. Using the product, it requires a different machine to be able to, capture and use that type of Freon. And so we want to stick with just the R134. And so that's what this compressor right here is designed to do. We tucked it up as tight as we could so that we could make sure that we left plenty of room on the sides to be able to fit this down in here. So this is our prototype version. We actually have the brackets and everything going to be made all out of billet aluminum, and they'll be powder coated and everything to fit and work and fit nice and tight. So again, we're getting ready to put this Godzilla motor in a truck, and we'll start making kits on how to put a Godzilla in your truck and all the components you need to get this. And then the last thing we'll get worked out for you is a control pack for Ford that you'll be able to use and make that work in your swap. So very cool, it's coming. There's a lot of guys that are trying to get them in and get them working. I don't know of a swap that's actually running. It's that difficult and that hard. But for us, we were trying to figure out this whole setup here because we know this is going to be the most difficult. Getting power steering, getting AC and all that stuff to work in the builds is very important for us. But stay tuned, it's coming.